Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Bollywood fashion, and who better to focus on than the stunning Kiara Advani. From red carpet glamour to casual chic, Kiara's style is the epitome of modern elegance. So, let's get started. For her casual outings, Kiara opts for chic yet comfortable attire. High-waisted jeans paired with crop tops, oversized shirts, or blazers are staples in her wardrobe. She often completes these looks with trendy sneakers or stylish flats, making them perfect for everyday wear. Her casual style reflects a blend of comfort and fashion-forward thinking. The actress is a fan of monochromatic outfits that make a bold statement. Whether it's an all-black ensemble for an edgy look or a bright, single-color outfit for a striking appearance, she knows how to pull off monochromes with flair. These outfits are often enhanced with unique cuts, textures, and layering, adding depth and interest to the single-color palette. Street style is another domain where Kiara shines. She mixes high street fashion with luxury brands to create looks that are both trendy and accessible. This includes pairing graphic tees with designer skirts, wearing denim on denim, and incorporating oversized jackets into her outfits. Accessories like statement bags, sunglasses, and hats often complete her street style looks. She often balances these bold pieces with more subdued items to create a harmonious yet striking look. For evening events and parties, her fashion choices are nothing short of glamorous. She often opts for sleek dresses, jumpsuits, and coordinated sets with elegant designs. Fabrics like satin, silk, and velvet are common in her evening wear collection. She pairs these outfits with sophisticated heels and delicate jewelry to enhance the elegance. The actress occasionally embraces the bohemian style, characterized by flowy dresses, earthy tones, and relaxed fits. This style is perfect for beach vacations, music festivals, or casual outings. She often accessorizes her boho outfits with layered jewelry, floppy hats, and comfortable sandals. For more formal occasions, the beauty embraces power dressing with tailored suits, blazers, and structured dresses. These outfits often feature sharp cuts, clean lines, and neutral colors, exuding confidence and sophistication. She pairs these with pointed heels and minimalistic accessories for a polished look. Kiara often graces the red carpet in stunning gowns that highlight her elegance and sophistication. Her red carpet looks are typically complemented by sleek hairstyles and minimalistic jewelry, allowing the outfits to take center stage. The actress often combines Western and Indian elements to create fusion outfits that stand out. For example, she might pair a traditional embroidered blouse with high-waisted trousers or wear a sari with a contemporary crop top. This fusion approach allows her to blend cultural heritage with modern aesthetics, appealing to a diverse audience. Denim is a staple in her wardrobe. She accessorizes these outfits with statement belts, trendy sneakers, and chic handbags to complete the look. Floral prints are a recurring theme in her fashion choices. Whether it's a summer dress, a chic blouse, or a flowing skirt, she knows how to incorporate florals into her wardrobe to add a touch of femininity and freshness. These prints are often seen in bright, vibrant colors, making her outfits perfect for day outings and casual events. Her layering skills are noteworthy, especially during the cooler months. She knows how to layer different pieces to create a cohesive look without appearing bulky. This might include pairing a long coat with a sweater dress, adding a stylish scarf, or combining a blazer with a turtleneck and jeans. Her ability to layer effectively showcases her understanding of textures, colors, and proportions. Accessories play a significant role in her fashion choices. She often uses statement pieces like oversized earrings, chunky bracelets, and bold necklaces to elevate her outfits. While the actress enjoys making bold statements, she also knows the power of minimalism. She often opts for clean, simple silhouettes in neutral colors like black, white, beige, and grey. These minimalist outfits are characterized by their elegance and sophistication, proving that sometimes less is more. Beyond florals, the beauty enjoys experimenting with a variety of patterns. Polka dots, stripes, animal prints, and abstract designs find their way into her wardrobe. She knows how to balance these patterns with solid pieces, ensuring that her outfits are eye-catching without being overwhelming. For special events and photo shoots, the actress often chooses glamorous ensembles that exude luxury. This includes embellished gowns, metallic dresses, and outfits with intricate beadwork or sequins. These looks are often paired with perfectly styled hair, bold makeup, and high heels, making her the center of attention. The actress has a knack for looking effortlessly elegant. She achieves this through well-fitted clothes, subtle makeup, and natural hairstyles. Her choices often reflect a sophisticated yet laid-back vibe, perfect for brunches, casual meetings, or a day out in the city. When traveling, the beauty prioritizes comfort without compromising on style. Her travel outfits often include cozy sweaters, joggers, oversized hoodies, and comfortable yet fashionable footwear. She pairs these with stylish travel bags and minimal accessories, ensuring she looks chic while staying comfortable during her journeys. Her fashion choices for events are always on point. Whether attending a film promotion, an award show, or a brand launch, she picks outfits that resonate with the event's theme. Her choices range from sophisticated cocktail dresses to trendy co-ords, often accessorized to perfection with designer jewelry and handbags. The actress adapts her fashion choices according to the season. In summer, she's often seen in light, breathable fabrics, vibrant prints, and comfortable sandals. During winter, she switches to cozy sweaters, stylish boots, and warm coats. Her ability to dress seasonally while maintaining her fashion-forward approach is commendable. Being a fashion icon, the actress often collaborates with designers and brands to showcase exclusive collections. These collaborations often result in unique, limited edition pieces that reflect her personal style. She uses her influence to promote these collections, making her a trendsetter in the fashion industry. Her modern fashion choices extend beyond just clothing. They embody a lifestyle of elegance, versatility, and trendsetting confidence. Her ability to effortlessly transition between diverse styles makes her a fashion chameleon. In contrast, her traditional attire, which includes richly embroidered lehengas, elegant saris, and contemporary anarkalis, reflects a deep appreciation for Indian heritage. Her casual wear is equally impressive, featuring a mix of high-waisted jeans, crop tops, and oversized blazers that highlight her preference for comfort without sacrificing style. Embracing athleisure, she often sports chic workout sets and trendy sneakers from brands like Nike and Adidas, blending functionality with a fashionable edge. Her wardrobe also includes bold monochromes, edgy statement pieces, and chic street-style outfits that mix high-street fashion with luxury brands. She masters layering with finesse, combining different textures and proportions to create visually appealing ensembles. Her travel style is practical yet stylish, featuring cozy sweaters, joggers, and minimalistic accessories that ensure she remains chic on the go. Accessories are a significant part of her style statement, with Kiara frequently opting for oversized earrings, statement necklaces, and stylish bags that complement her outfits perfectly. Floral prints, playful patterns, and a vibrant color palette are regular features in her wardrobe, showcasing her ability to blend fun and sophistication seamlessly. Her glamorous ensembles for special events often include embellished gowns and metallic dresses that turn heads, while her minimalist chic outfits reflect elegance through clean lines and neutral tones. Her collaborations with designers and brands further cement her status as a fashion icon, influencing trends and setting new standards in the fashion world. Each of her looks, whether for a casual day out or a high-profile event, is meticulously curated, reflecting a deep understanding of fashion dynamics and an innate ability to inspire her audience with every appearance. So, there you have it, Kiara Advani's modern fashion choices that have us all taking notes. Whether it's a glamorous gown or a casual day out, Kiara's style is always on point. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.